नमस्ते, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल सॉफ्टवेयर सॉल्यूशंस हब। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे एक्सेल के मोस्ट पावरफुल एंड हैंडी फंक्शन के बारे में, जिसका नाम है Concatenate Function. It is a function used to combine the different values from separate cells into one cell. Let us take an example. Let's say we have 3 columns with prefix, first name and surname, and we want to combine them in column full name. Now select a cell, and now simply enter the formula equals to concatenate. Now what we have to do. First, we have to select the text 1, then comma. Then we have to use quotation symbol for spacing between texts. Then we have to select text 2, then comma and quotation symbol for spacing, and now select the text 3. Close the parenthesis. Now hit the enter button. And we can see our data combined very well with an ease. That is it for today. Thanks for watching my video. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.